Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 24 from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now we're going to be looking at part 24. Once again, we've covered something similar in the, the intermediate parts. But in today's one, we're going to be adding, I think it's 2 extra options that we can set. So now to locate it, we're going to go to flat parts, go to P24. As we can see here, we've got the new one next to P23. So if I open here, let's just look. We've got, I think, 5 values to set. So we've got the 2 new ones. This is A and B, as you can see. So we can have like a little extra extrude coming from the 2 sides that we can set, which is pretty handy. So I'm just going to set in a few values so we can look at what that looks like. So first, let's go to R1, which is the outside diameter. How far is it? Go about 400. And the inside one, I'm going to go about 300. Then U, which is the amount of rotation. Let's make this about a 90 degree. Then let's set our A. So I'm going to make one longer than the other. So let's make this one about 20. And then the next one, I'm going to make 60. Let's quickly preview this and see what it looks like. There we go. Now we can see it curves, and when it hits a certain point, it extrudes it out. So this side is 60 and this side is 20. So now you can obviously go a bit more extreme with these values. So let me set this a bit smaller. I'm going to go about 200 and make the inner one. Obviously we want it smaller than the outside. So let's go 150. And what I want to do is with a B, really push it a bit. So let's make it about 200 and we see what that looks like. Here we go. Now you can see we've got it coming. So it's a nice way also to make a nice round corner on your plate or so forth. But yeah, that is it then on the actual P24. We're just going to add one quantity and add this to our canvas. Let's go. So now obviously keep in mind you could always adjust the actual amount of degrees. So it doesn't have to be a nice 90 degree like this. You could have it just about in any angle. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.